everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we do unboxing for this one, the multifunctional lock, and also we will do the child proofing here since Denise started to walk and she started to explore everything here in the house. So we ordered this, and it is only 6 lock in this box because we will try first before we order more. We will try this first if it works. So we will do the unboxing. So this one, I hope my camera doesn't, no, my video won't be shaky because my tripod, Denise is playing with it. Look what she's doing. So I'm using my selfie stick. Oh, wow. Let's do unboxing now. Oh, this is the, what is it? Fabe Safety, a multifunctional lock. Look at the baby there, so cute. We do the unboxing. Okay, this is how it looks. It's 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there is extra tape here. They're using 3M. So because I don't know yet how to use this one, I will try to figure it out. Let me try to check it out. Oh my, it is hard to hold this one with my one hand. Oh, if I cannot do this. If I cannot put this in the cabinets, I will just let my husband do this when he comes. Oh, okay. I think to open is you have to press it here. There is an instructions at the back. Oh yeah, there is. The instruction is here at the back. Yeah, there is, so I can use it. So this gonna looks like it. Look at this. Yeah. Okay. So I think it is easy to put this in the cabinet. You have to adjust it first. Here you have to adjust, and this is how you open it, the way how you open. Okay, let's try in the cabinet now. Let's try to put it now. So let me try this. I will put this here, click it, and I will put this. So I have to put this one here. So before I will place it in the cabinet, I have to put it back here. The right one, so I have to place it back. I have to lock. me see again. I have to make it sure it is locked. Oops, sorry. Okay, so this is good now. Here, so I have to take the tape out. This tape, because as you can see, it can open. So here, yeah. So she cannot open this anymore. So how we gonna open this? We just click this stuff there. Look, this one we have to just click this one, the left side. So this is now securely locked. She cannot open this anymore. So this is now securely locked. And to all mommies and daddies of new mommies and daddies over there who's watching us this video, childproofing is real. Because if you will not do this one, oh my God, you keep on roaming around, you keep on fixing everything what your daughter, what your baby's doing, even in the drawer. So let me do more lock in the other cabinets and the drawers. We put one here. This is the cabinet here in the kitchen. And one here. And we still need to order more for these drawers and these cabinets and for the front. And also one here. It's there. Fourth lock. The fifth lock. And the sixth lock. So we use the 6 locks and we still need more and we need to order. So we will wait for another locks to come. And please, if you find this helpful, please do subscribe, like, comment and share. And also those who haven't subscribed yet, please do the subscription. Thank you. See you next time.